continue with the volume and surface area, and we are doing the volume part. When we recast one figure into another, or we melt and recast another, their volumes will be equal. Today the first question is, a container is in the shape of a right circular cylinder whose diameter is 12 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter. It is full of an ice cream, and ice cream is shifted to the cone. The height of a cone is 12 centimeter and the diameter of a cone is 6 centimeter. It is having a hemisphere on the top. Question is, how many cones we can fill? First of all, we'll find the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, that is pi r is 6 into 6 into 15 centimeter square, and volume of cone is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. 1 by 3 pi r square is common. Left is h plus 2r. So number of cones will be equal to volume of cylinder upon volume of one cone. Volume of cylinder is pi into 6 into 6 into 15 by 1 into 3 into pi into r is 3 into 3. H is 12 plus 2r is 80. Pi is cancelled with the pi. This is cancelled with 2. This is cancelled with 2. This is cancelled with 6. This is cancelled with 3. And this is cancelled with 5. So answer will be 10 cones. Right. Second question is, the water in canal 6 meter wide. There is a canal which is 6 meter wide. Width is 6 meter. It is 1.5 meter deep. That is, and the flow of water is 10 kilometer per hour. It means if we close one end after 1 hour with the width of 6 meter and the depth of 1.5 meter, the length of water will be 10 kilometer. How much area it will irrigate? How much area it will irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is required, is needed. That means volume of water in river is equal to volume of water in field. So first of all, we'll find the volume of water in 1 hour. That will be, length is 10,000 meter, width is 6, 1.510. This is r divided by 2. This is in half an hour. Then volume of field. Volume of field is length into width into 8 by 100 meter centimeter 8 by meter cube. So we have to find the area L into B, that is volume of water in river divided by height, that is, so volume water is 10,000 into 6 into 15 by 2 into 10 into 8 by 100. So it will be 562,500 meter square, or it will be 5.62 56.25 56.25 hectares. Question number 3. Question number 3 is the farmer connect a pipe to the internal diameter is 20. There is a pipe connected to the canal into the cylindrical tank. Farmer connect a pipe of internal diameter from a canal to the cylinder. There is a cylinder. The height of a cylinder is given to us is 2 meter. Diameter is, radius is 5 meter. A pipe is connected to this. From pipe the water is coming to this, and if the water flow through the pipe, flow of water is 3 kilometer per hour. That means the height, and the diameter is 20 centimeter. How much time it will take? How much time it will take to fill the tank? First is volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r is 200 into 500 into 500 centimeter cube. Volume of water in pipe is again pi r square h. Pi is by 10 by 10 into 10. H is 3 into 100 into 1000 centimeter cube. So we have to find the time. Time will be volume of cylinder divided by volume of pipe. Volume of cylinder is pi into 200 into 500 into 500 by pi into 10 into 10 into 3 into 1000 into 100. Pi cancel. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 5 2s are 10. Answer will be 5 by 3 hours. 5 by 3 hour means 5 by 3 into 60. This is 20. That is, it will take 100 minutes to fill the cylinder. Fourth, this is a well of a diameter. Well of a diameter. Diameter of well is 3 meter. Deep, height is 14 meter. It is dug out, earth is taken out, spread all over it. It is dug out and earth is spread out, spread all over it to make the embankment. We have to find the width of embankment is 4 meter. We have to find height of embankment. First of all, we have to find the earth taken out, and this is the embankment. So first of all, volume of earth taken out. Volume of earth taken out is pi r square h, that is pi r is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 14, that is all in meter square cube. Now volume of embankment. In volume of embankment is pi h r square minus r square. Pi h we have to find r. Diameter, internal diameter is, radius is 1.5, so capital radius will be 4 plus 1.5 is 5.5, so it will be 5.5 square minus small radius is 1.5 square. So this is 1, this is 2. Volume of earth taken out will be equal to volume of embankment, because the same earth is used in this. So volume earth taken out is pi into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 14 is equal to pi into h. We use the formula here, 7 into 4. So pi is cancelled with this, 7 is cancelled with this, 2 is cancelled with this. So h will be equal to 3 into 3 by 8. So 9 by 8 is 1.125 meter. If you have any doubt, you can call me at this number. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.